If you're running a UniFi Protect setup, you know that high-quality storage is the backbone of your security. Today we're unboxing the UniFi 8TB enterprise-grade 3.5-inch hard drive. Ubiquiti keeps the packaging clean and frustration-free. Let's get that seal off and see what's inside. Inside, the drive is nestled in thick protective foam. When you're dealing with high-capacity platters, you want that extra peace of mind during shipping. Quick look at the documentation. Safety first. But let's be honest, we're here for the hardware. And here's the main event. It comes sealed in a heavy-duty moisture barrier bag to keep the internals pristine until the moment it hits your drive bay. There it is. While it's UniFi branded, under the hood we have a Western Digital Ultrastar DC HC320. That's a 7,200 revolutions per minute, SATA, 6 gigabit per second, enterprise workhorse designed for 24/7 reliability.